Hello children, open your English textbooks and open the page number 21. Lesson number 8, Traffic Problems. Now read along with me. Here is a description about the rising problem of traffic. Aslam was ready for school. He picked up his bag and tiffin. Bye mother, said he. Bye beta, said his mother. So he went to his bus stop. The bus carried in time. Aslam boarded the bus. The bus was full. Not a single seat was vacant in the bus. When the bus started going down the highway, it was caught in a traffic jam. The bus could not move ahead for 1 full hour. So Aslam and all of his busmates were late for school. They all were coaxed by the school authorities for being so late. What can Aslam do? The problem of traffic in cities is becoming worse by every second. There is nothing that Aslam could have done to reach school in time. So much so, the driver of his school bus was also helpless. He could not change his bus route. He could not let children walk to school on their own. Little children could get lost that way.